We're going to square a binomial. We have the quantity x minus 1/3 squared. And we have a formula for squaring a binomial of the form a minus b. We know that a minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2 times a times b plus b squared. So we're going to use this rule to do this multiplication. Now here a is x and b is 1/3. So we'll have a squared, which is x squared, minus 2 times a, which is x, times b, which is 1/3, plus b squared, or plus 1/3 squared. And now we'll just simplify. We have x squared. Negative 2 times x times 1/3 is negative 2/3 x. And when I square 1/3, I get 1/9. So we have x squared minus 2/3 x plus 1/9.